Hey, sixth graders, welcome back to a different kind of week. Instead of doing an ARC this week, I'm going to do a week of inspirational maths. And so this is going to be a week of inspirational ratios and rates. So as we begin, I want to share something with you again that I have shared a couple times, but everybody doesn't understand. And if your parents need to talk to me, please have them call me. So here's our book. I'll include the link again. This book is here for reference. It's not for your parents to make you do all the lessons. So if they're trying to do that, have them give me a call and I'll explain the philosophy again about what it is we're trying to do and how we're trying to get kids to like math again so they can succeed. So let's get on with our week of inspirational ratios. This is something I made for you. Yours will look a little different. Here's my teacher's edition, but I can show you the same thing. So here's, you're gonna fill out this. This is due today. Today's Monday, the 12th. So here's a little video for you to watch. I think this video is repeat for everybody. We've been doing ratios for a while. I'm not just talking about in the sixth grade, but since fourth grade, we've had this. A few questions. You see another section. Here's one of my favorite types of question. Which one doesn't belong? And so if you look at it very, very long, you're gonna be able to figure out that all of them have something that's different. It takes me a long time to make them, but I love these. So you should be able to answer all of them. You want extra credit? Tell me why each one's different. Here's a very simple ratio problem that I built 3 problems off of these circles and squares. I know it looks very primary, but you can do it. Here's a ratio table like we've been working with. And then at the end here, have a game. I just found out that you can't put a game onto Google Forms. You can put videos, but not games. So when you're finished with the game, I need you to use the snip tool and paste it on your Jamboard, and I'll make a diagram with instructions about that. So let me go to the game right here. And how you use the snip tool is that you hold down the shift key, and if you have, sometimes people just do a print screen, but here's how I use the snip tool. Hold down the shift key, hold down the Windows key. Now that's the little square with the plus sign in it. Hold both of those down and push S. And when you do, your screen gets dark and maybe you can see up on top, maybe you can't because it's a little square and I get it, the cursor changes. So I'm just gonna copy this part here. And you see I made this to cover all the stuff. What I'm looking for is that you've done level 5. So now it comes down here. I just click on this and you're gonna get something like this. Yours might be a little different. If it is different, then contact me and I will help you find it. See this little square here? This is a save tool. So I'm gonna click on that. And I gotta admit, I'm not always very careful where I put this. I know it's just gonna go on my PC here. So I'm gonna copy that, okay? And I can go and put it on there, or I can just go right to my Jamboard. Here's Mr. Brennan's Jamboard. Here's your week of inspirational ratios, and I'm just gonna click on there, and I should be able to Control and V is paste, and here it comes. Oh boy, is this gonna take a long time. So here's my picture. I wanna make it smaller today because this is Monday. So let me get a sticky here. I think I'll use a blue sticky for Monday. Why not? Because it kind of matches this. Oops, why didn't I get a sticky? Oh, because I didn't write anything on there. Monday. I had the caps lock on. Monday. And now I got my sticky. And here's my work for Monday. So you're gonna have some game or some project that I'm gonna ask you to do that I can look and see. I can click on that later if I wanted to see your score. But not that, that's the turn tool. So I can see, oh my gosh, Mr. Brennan's doing great. He's got $35 and he's only got 2 damage, and so I can do all that kind of stuff. So, but the most important thing for me is getting to the levels. So that's how you use the snip tool. Again, I'll put something in the links, and I'll show you again when I have you in the meeting. So that's it. We're gonna do an activity or play a game. Usually we'll watch a video and play a game or do something. every day. So I hope this is a really fun week for you. The last thing I want to show you, nope, I already showed you that in your book. So I hope you have a super fun day, and I will see you later. Bye.